All right, I made this cannon for my son for Halloween. He's a Human Cannonball, and this is the wagon that he's pulling for trick or treat. Now, he won't fit in this tube. He's 9, but I got this from Home Depot. One little hack, we put a weight on the inside to help weigh it down so that it wouldn't flip. This box here, we cut a hole in it. Can you kind of see down there for this to rest in? And then just a little bit of duct tape with this large piece of cardboard that is from a refrigerator box. I also use the refrigerator box to cut 2 wheels and then paint them. And then we found that the stapler we had was not thick enough for the cardboard. So 2 screws with some nuts on the back held those wheels on perfectly. And then just a little bit of rope here to make the fuse. So a lot of time, a lot of spray paint, but not too difficult to assemble. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions.